Good day, viewers. Today, we'll be talking about the benefits of fruits and vegetables for gut health. Fruits and vegetables are not only delicious and nutritious, but they also play a significant role in promoting a healthy gut. A healthy gut is essential for overall wellness, and a diet rich in fruits and vegetables can help maintain a healthy digestive system. In this video, we'll explore the top 5 benefits of fruits and vegetables for gut health. From promoting digestion and boosting immunity to reducing inflammation and maintaining a healthy microbiome, we'll dive deep into how fruits and vegetables can help prevent digestive problems and promote overall health. So, whether you're a health enthusiast or someone looking to improve your gut health, this video is for you. So, grab your favorite fruits and vegetables, sit back, relax, and let's explore the wonderful benefits of these nutrient-packed foods for your gut health. 1. Promote digestion. Digestive problems such as constipation and irregular bowel movements can be frustrating and uncomfortable, but luckily, nature has provided us with a solution: fruits and vegetables. These nutrient-dense foods are rich in dietary fiber, which helps to promote healthy digestion and prevent constipation. The dietary fiber found in fruits and vegetables adds bulk to the stool, making it easier to pass through the digestive system. This helps to regulate bowel movements and prevent the discomfort of constipation. Additionally, fiber-rich foods help to promote the growth of beneficial bacteria in the gut, which can further support healthy digestion. In addition to dietary fiber, fruits and vegetables contain enzymes that aid in the breakdown of food, making it easier for the body to digest and absorb nutrients. This can help to alleviate digestive discomfort and improve nutrient absorption, which is essential for overall health. The beauty of fruits and vegetables is that they come in a vast array of colors, flavors, and textures, making them easy to incorporate into any meal or snack. Whether it's adding some berries to your morning oatmeal, snacking on some carrot sticks and hummus, or tossing a colorful salad with your favorite veggies for lunch or dinner, there are countless ways to add these healthy foods to your diet. Incorporating more fruits and vegetables into your diet can not only help to promote healthy digestion but also provide a wide range of other health benefits. These include boosting immunity, reducing inflammation, and even reducing the risk of chronic diseases such as cancer and heart disease. In summary, if you're looking to improve your digestive health, adding more fruits and vegetables to your diet is a simple and effective way to do so. With so many delicious options to choose from, it's easy to incorporate these healthy foods into your meals and snacks and enjoy the benefits of a happier, healthier digestive system. 2. Boost immunity. It's no secret that a healthy immune system is essential for overall wellness, and one way to support immune health is by consuming plenty of fruits and vegetables. These nutrient-dense foods are packed with antioxidants, vitamins, and minerals that help to strengthen the immune system and protect the body against infections and diseases. In fact, research has shown that a diet rich in fruits and vegetables can help to improve immune function and reduce the risk of chronic diseases such as cancer, diabetes, and heart disease. This is because these foods are abundant in nutrients that support the immune system, such as vitamin C, vitamin A, and zinc. Furthermore, a healthy gut plays a crucial role in maintaining overall immunity. The gut is home to trillions of beneficial bacteria that help to support immune function and protect against harmful pathogens. When the gut is compromised, it can weaken the immune system and make the body more susceptible to infections and diseases. Fortunately, consuming a diet rich in fruits and vegetables can help to promote a healthy gut by providing the fiber and nutrients that beneficial bacteria need to thrive. This can help to strengthen the immune system and protect the body against infections and diseases. So, next time you're at the grocery store, be sure to stock up on plenty of colorful fruits and vegetables to support your immune health. By incorporating these nutrient-dense foods into your diet, you can enjoy a stronger, more resilient immune system and better overall health. 3. Reduce inflammation. Inflammation is a natural process that helps the body to heal from injury or infection. However, when inflammation becomes chronic, it can lead to a range of health problems, including inflammatory bowel disease, IBD, ulcerative colitis, and Crohn's disease. The good news is that incorporating more fruits and vegetables into your diet can help to reduce inflammation in the gut and prevent these conditions. Fruits and vegetables are rich in a variety of anti-inflammatory compounds, including flavonoids, carotenoids, and polyphenols. These compounds work together to help reduce inflammation and promote healing in the gut. In addition, many fruits and vegetables are high in fiber, which helps to support the growth of beneficial bacteria in the gut. These bacteria play a key role in reducing inflammation and protecting against chronic disease. Furthermore, certain fruits and vegetables have been shown to have specific anti-inflammatory properties. For example, berries are rich in anthocyanins, which have been shown to reduce inflammation in the gut and improve gut health. Cruciferous vegetables such as broccoli and kale contain sulforaphane, which has been shown to reduce inflammation and protect against colon cancer. Incorporating more fruits and vegetables into your diet can not only help to reduce inflammation in the gut but also provide a wide range of other health benefits. These include reducing the risk of chronic diseases such as cancer, heart disease, and diabetes, as well as improving overall gut health and promoting healthy digestion. So, if you're looking to reduce inflammation in the gut and support overall health, be sure to include plenty of colorful fruits and vegetables in your diet. By doing so, you can enjoy the benefits of a healthier, happier gut and a stronger, more resilient body. 4. Maintain a healthy microbiome. Maintaining a healthy microbiome is crucial for overall health, as the gut microbiome plays a key role in digestion, immunity, and disease prevention. Fortunately, incorporating more fruits and vegetables into your diet can help to promote a healthy balance of microorganisms in the gut. The gut microbiome consists of trillions of microorganisms, including bacteria, fungi, and viruses. These microorganisms help to break down food, produce essential nutrients, and protect against harmful pathogens. However, an imbalance in the gut microbiome can lead to a range of health problems, including digestive issues, allergies, and autoimmune diseases. Fruits and vegetables contain prebiotic fiber, which feeds the beneficial bacteria in the gut and helps to promote a healthy balance of microorganisms. This fiber is not digestible by humans but is broken down by beneficial bacteria in the gut, producing short-chain fatty acids that help to nourish the gut lining and improve gut health. In addition to prebiotic fiber, fruits and vegetables are also rich in antioxidants, vitamins, and minerals that support the growth and function of beneficial bacteria in the gut. By promoting a healthy microbiome, these foods can help to improve digestion, boost immunity, and reduce the risk of chronic diseases. To maintain a healthy microbiome, aim to consume a variety of fruits and vegetables in your diet. This can include leafy greens, berries, citrus fruits, cruciferous vegetables, and more. By doing so, you can enjoy the benefits of a healthier, happier gut and a stronger, more resilient body. 5. Lower risk of colorectal cancer. Colorectal cancer is one of the most common types of cancer worldwide, but the good news is that there are steps you can take to reduce your risk. One of these is to incorporate more fruits and vegetables into your diet, as these foods have been linked to a lower risk of developing colorectal cancer. The fiber found in fruits and vegetables plays a key role in reducing the risk of colorectal cancer. Fiber helps to promote regular bowel movements and removes harmful substances from the colon, reducing the risk of cancerous growths. In addition, fiber helps to feed the beneficial bacteria in the gut, promoting a healthy microbiome and reducing inflammation. Antioxidants found in fruits and vegetables also play a role in reducing the risk of colorectal cancer. These compounds help to neutralize free radicals, which can damage DNA and increase the risk of cancerous growths. In addition, the polyphenols found in fruits and vegetables have been shown to have anti-cancer properties, reducing the risk of cancerous growths. By incorporating more fruits and vegetables into your diet, you can help to reduce your risk of developing colorectal cancer. Aim to consume a variety of colorful fruits and vegetables, including leafy greens, berries, citrus fruits, cruciferous vegetables, and more. By doing so, you can enjoy the benefits of a healthier, happier gut and a lower risk of colorectal cancer. That's all for today's video on the benefits of fruits and vegetables for gut health. We hope you found this information informative and helpful. Remember, incorporating a variety of fruits and vegetables into your diet is essential for maintaining a healthy gut and promoting overall health. So, next time you're at the grocery store, make sure to grab some colorful produce and experiment with different recipes to keep your meals exciting and enjoyable. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more informative videos like this one. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.